Hi, I'm Dr. Deloris Thomas from the Joseph Business School. I'm president of the Joseph Business School here in the United States in Forest Park, nearby Chicago. And I'm so excited to be visiting you in October 17th and 18th at the Gothenburg School of Business. We are putting on this amazing conference to talk about Increase 2025. And I'm really looking forward to sharing biblical principles as to how you can increase both in providing the wisdom needed to dominate in the marketplace and to identify key biblical concepts along with marketplace concepts so that you can grow and scale and fulfill the plan and the commission God has for your life. Cannot wait to see you there. Looking forward to being in Sweden, right there with the Gothenburg School of Business, and to provide you with the wisdom from God as to how you can dominate in the marketplace and increase in 2025. See you there.